Alright, so what's going on, everybody? As you all know, I was talking about the ZM trade. But I did not trade this stock at all. Right now, that 161 turned in support, so I didn't touch it. Didn't take any short on it, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. But here's what I want to show you. So, 2 days ago, I put out a video. Let me bring this video over. It's learning how to get major support and resistance in charts. You have to watch the video. Why? I simply explained in this video exactly what my play was. And when the time came, I traded. So, if you go over the video, I go in depth about psti's trade. So, maybe before you watch this video that I'm putting out now, upload that video, and then this video will make a lot more sense. So I'll get that out of the way. So let's go over psti. Okay, so in the video I was talking, there's heavy support at 1190, and I said if it cracks 190 and turns 190, or not 190, sorry. If it turns 1190 into resistance, and I was saying it in this video 2 days ago, I said, where does it go? I called it exactly, and that was 2 days ago. Okay, so I was on Thursday, I made this video about this trade. So you really have to break down your support and resistance. Know your trade. Know when you're going to get in, when you're going to get out. So today I seen this popping up. Well, I didn't see it. I've been watching it. And right out of the get-go, we had a little early pop in the morning, and then it came right down and it flushed right through that one, or 1190. And then we came back above 1190, and right here, this is still support. So I didn't touch the stock because I'm not going to short it. I'm not going to short the stock at major support. I have to wait till it tells me that this no longer is major support. Like I say, if you go back in the video 2 days ago and you watch that video I just showed you, this trade will make a lot more sense. So we cracked below 1190, we popped back above, and then right here we cracked it again, and now we started showing 1190 right here. Hang on a second. Right here as a resistance now. Doesn't mean that 1190 is totally resistance. So I sat there and waited. I'm like, alright. So right here, we come back above. We break over 1190, but we're making higher lows. That's very bearish. So as soon as we crack back right here, I got short at 1187. And my target to get out of this trade is if this breaks $12.10 and turns $12.10 into a support. Now, if it goes above $12, so here's your $12.10. Oh, sorry about that. Hang on. So right here's $12.10. What is going on? Alright, we got it this time. So this is your $12.10. If this breaks above, if it breaks above this line, you know, and has a pullback and just barely gets under and then comes above and then goes like this or whatever, shoots way high and has a pullback, that is support now. Until it does that, it can break above it, but you have to wait. As soon as you wait, like this, right here, these are fake outs. I broke above 1190, right? fake out, fake out, lower high, then 1210. So this is my stop. If 1210 becomes support, I have to cut the trade, which is going to be a small loss because I'm in right where I should be in. I'm shorting right where I should be shorting. So fake out, fake out, fake out. Very, very bearish. So my target was $10.60. Okay, I explained where my target was 2 days ago. Where did I cover? I covered right here. I think it was like 1097. As soon as he came down right here, and then this right here, when this popped, I'm like, okay, if 1060s holds, it can retest 1190. This is major support. If this holds, where does it go? It goes 1190. So as soon as I seen this start popping up, obviously you do have a doji right here, which is very, very bearish. But I'm trading this on my phone. I can't see a doji. I'm going strictly off price action. Literally trading off my phone, strictly price action. So I don't have my computer. But when I seen this pop, I'm like, yep, I'm out of the trade. Like, because I'm not gonna let this go back to 1190. You know. So, I don't know if anybody traded this, but if you really watch my content, I'm really, really trying to put out where you guys should be shorting and where you guys should be covering. I only took one trade all day today. That's it. One trade. One short, one cover. Let me show you my P&L here. So this is my P&L for the day, 447.70. As you can see, one trade, 500 shares, that's it. No big size, nothing. But what this is I had a game plan. And I talked about my game plan 2 days ago. And as soon as I seen this 1190s come resistance, I didn't hesitate. I shorted because I knew exactly where my stop's at. My stop's at 1210. If 1210 breaks, where does it go? It goes to 1243. If 1210 can't break, where does it go? It goes to 1060. So this is the only trade I made all day today. But you guys really have to study the content. If I'm putting out content out there and you guys subscribe to this channel and you're struggling trading, really, 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 study it. And if this isn't your style, you can still get major support, major resistance. I go over it a lot in my videos. I just want to simply show you, you know, when you're really patient, patience pays off. You know, I could have got short somewhere in here, but then if this 1190s turns into support, it can go back up. You know, it can go back up to 13s and go back up to 1320. If this turns into support, it's going back up. So I believe this was a phenomenal trade. So this is the trade the only trade I made today on one penny stock, but the trade I'm looking at, and you guys all know what I'm going to show you, is the ZM. Right now it's in that resistance level, but until it actually shows me that this is resistance, I'm not touching the stock. It had a gap down right here, closing price from yesterday, and it was bullish. There's no reason for me to short that. None. And keep going higher. It has to show me that this is actually resistance. So this will definitely be on my radar to short. Another one I called out, Tesla. I did not trade this, but I actually have this in the same video that I put out 2 days ago on the PSTI trade. If you watch that whole video, I explain this Tesla. And if you look at this, I was literally off on this by 1 penny. And this is all documented in my video. 2 days ago, I called. It's not that like, hey, I have a magic ball and I know where Tesla's going, but all I did is I played support and resistance, and it's a price channel. That's all it is. It's a price channel. You don't need fancy indicators. You don't need nothing. All you need is a price channel. It's either going to go higher the price channel, it's going to go lower the price channel. But yes, in my video, I have this saying it can go to 806.69. Today it hit 806.68. 1 penny from the high-end Tesla. I have to give myself a pat on the back for that one. That was I didn't trade this, but just because I didn't trade it, it just shows that I'm on the right track. The right track. When I went over and broke this down, if you watch that video right here, you'll see exactly every single line on this. You'll see on that on this video. How to get major support, major resistance. Tesla's trade will be on that video. You can check it out if you don't believe me. But I didn't trade this, but you know what? It's almost like I did trade it because it means I'm on the right path, and you guys have to study. You know, if you can make $500 a week on one trade, or if you're making $200, or if you're making $100, or if you're making $50, that's $50 more you have in your pocket right now than you did yesterday. And just take it slow. You don't have to be a millionaire. You know, it's better to be how I trade than to, you know, trying to get them big wins to, you know, the big wins will come. Trust me, they will come. You just have to first get your strategy, get your niche in the market. If it's short, if it's long, if it's options, if it's futures, whatever it is, you just have to, first you have to find out what you're good at. And once you're good at it, you stick with it. Don't veer off and do crazy things. That's why I don't really do options that well. You know, I don't know much about options. There's so much stuff I don't know. Do I want to learn them? A little bit. Not like a lot. Because large cap, to me, and this is my opinion, it's very, very hard to trade. Trump comes out and tweets something, you know, the stock market can switch and go up and go down. With penny stocks, it's major resistance, major support is very predictable. That's why I stick with penny stocks. Doesn't mean I don't want to learn options. I want to learn them a little bit. Just because of my long swing on Coca-Cola. But besides that, you know, I did options before, and I wasn't really good at them. So, you know, I'm good at shorting. I'm good at reading price action. I'm good at support and resistance. That's what I stick with. You know, if I start veering off, I'm just gonna open a can, and I don't want to open a can. So, yeah, I hope you guys do watch that video I posted 2 days ago. It goes over both of these trades. Yeah, that's gonna be about it tonight. It's a late night, and it's kind of a longer video, but if you stuck to the end, trust me, the content in this is awesome. And if you watch this one, make sure you watch that other video. All this will make sense. You'll see my price actions. You'll see support and resistance to a T. I mean, I'm 2 days ahead of where the price is going. You know, the price can change, though. You know, just because I say it's going to go somewhere. That's why you have to react on how the candlesticks show you. So, that's it. Until next time, traders, please like, please subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you traded. Tell me if you shorted PSTI. Yeah, other than that, peace.